ushered into a solitary chamber. A condemned prisoner? The scene from a science fiction thriller? Not at all. In response to a request from David Shore of Bangor, Maine, we're at the National Institute of Health in Bethesda, Maryland, to see the strange fishbowl existence of a human volunteer inside a sealed chamber. No space traveler either. This is John Heisey, who has volunteered for medical research, the study of chemical changes in the human body that doctors call metabolism. The chamber's sealed by 2 doors. The climate inside is perfectly controlled. Through this research, doctors hope to find clues leading to better treatment of many ailments. The plastic hood is not airtight. Its purpose to catch expired air from his lungs, suction it off through that flexible tube and onto a maze of electronic instruments. Gas analyzers will measure changes under many conditions for many days. Fresh air passes into the chamber properly humidified, its volume accurately recorded on the air meter. An average healthy man, John will live as normal an existence as possible. John Heisey is of strong religious beliefs that do not permit military service, so instead, he contributes to medical research in this remarkable way. Every need is accounted for, even a chemical commode. A man can live comfortably inside as long as a week. 10:48 in the morning. In his normal pattern of life, a man might like some exercise along about now. The doctor says go right ahead, and John goes for a walk on a treadmill. It can reach a 15% grade at a speed of up to 15 miles an hour. On the electrocardiograph, his heart rate is recorded. A good brisk walk, and come noontime, a good appetite. Lunch is right there in the refrigerator. All the luxuries of life here, if you like a chocolate-flavored formula. Getting in through the mask is by way of what they call an elephant's trunk. That's where the fresh air he breathes gets in, too. Along in the afternoon, time for rest and a good book passed into him from between the double doors. During this period of relaxation, his blood pressure is recorded. Periodical blood specimens are taken in this way, too. Even while he rests, oxygen consumption, expelled carbon dioxide continually recorded in the control room. John's in the spotlight center stage every second of the day. Time for an afternoon nap. Life in a metabolic chamber has its good points, too. This phase in a normal life is also important to medical study. Might as well spruce up for dinner. More instructions from the doctor. How about catching up on some correspondence? With every move a man makes, breathing, exercising, eating, resting, working, his body chemistry changes. Certain diseases result from errors or deficiencies in one of these steps. So what John helps them learn here is mighty important. So time to stop work and more exercise, just as he might walk home from his job. See you later, John. And that's life in a sealed chamber. You asked for it.